All right, good morning, Dennis. Hope you're having a great day. I kind of wanted to do this screencast for you so you can get a good understanding of what our students were doing prior to beginning a unit. This is our pre-assessment shoot ball quiz that our students took. The platform that we're using is Schoology. It's actually we're piloting it right now, and we think it's an amazing resource to use for our students. So here's one of our first questions that we had for our students was, is this legal when playing shoot ball? And as you can see, here's the picture, and then it's a yes or no response. And then moving on, this is a nice one that we like about Schoology is that we want them to highlight the forbidden zone. So here, all they would have to do is click on this forbidden zone area. It would highlight, and that's it. Another question here. These are our true or false questions. Is a point awarded to the defensive team if they catch the ball after it's hit from the rebounder? So here we go with our true or false questions. We have some multiple choice questions that we have our students go through. But the amount of technology that we're incorporating in our lessons, I think, is critical and huge. Our students love it because that's what they're used to. And so I just kind of wanted to do this before you came in today so you have a good understanding of what our students are kind of doing here at Valhalla High School. So I hope you have a great day. See you soon.